This is insane. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 60 cents. The volatility is off the charts, guys. Now, what's even crazier to me is Bitcoin is holding 37k, right? That's just mind-blowing. Well, in the bull market, usually, I would say there's going to be an insane spike to the upside or downside, guys. Either way, in probably less than 2 weeks from now, right? But what I found interesting is this right here, guys, is that Bitcoin seems like it doesn't want to dump, right? It could go down because people have been longing, guys. They could liquidate the longs, right, and just dump down in the short term, then pump back up again. But what if they just don't want to make it go down, right? And they instead make everyone buy when it's pumping, right? The people who haven't bought yet, because there's a lot of people who are like that, guys, as we speak. Not financial advice, but let us just wait and see. Check this out, though. Guys, I got so excited when I seen this. From Will Alert, 1 billion USDT minted at Tether Treasury. There we go. Beautifully stated, guys, right? Paolo over here just printing like never before, right? Dang, that's a billion. The bears right now, exactly. Beautifully stated, guys. Which means, what does that mean, guys? You guys should know this by now, right? A pump is probably on the horizon. Just as Jim Cramer's contra indicator, Tether is a pump indicator. From Pharaoh X33, new week, final week of November, guys, heading into the final month of 2023. Here we go, and December is probably going to get very exciting. Maybe in the next video we're going to be talking about it. If you have made it this far, congratulations, you have made it through most of the rough times. Beautiful times are near, guys. I wish you all an abundant and prosperous week ahead. Come on, guys, right? We gotta persevere. I mean, we are nearing that finale, it sure seems as. Why? Because here we go. Now, guys, we're starting from part of XRP and the XRP community. Now, this is called White Interesting from Big Shorts. He posted this image right here, right? This picture. Now, this seems very symbolic, to say the least. If you go down here, why? Mr. Poole did from a while back ago as well, guys, right? The same picture as Mr. Poole. So, if you go down here, actually, people are talking about 2024, Year of the Dragon, right? Now, when we talk about, let's see what the next Chinese year, 2024 and 2025, will bring. Year of the Dragon 3 cipher match 2 XRP all-time high. XRP all-time high comes out to 162.8172. Year of the Dragon comes out to 162.81 and 72 as well. That's it, guys, right? I hope this is it. I truly do hope so, guys, right? I don't want XRP to miss this bull run as well. Come on. I hope it doesn't. Minimum at least a new all-time high, right? Because once any asset, guys, especially a cryptocurrency, creates a new all-time high, it's in uncharted territory, right? Anything can happen at that point. So, is this foreshadowing? Was it always in the code, guys, that Year of the Dragon is when XRP's time will shine, right? Years of the Dragon include 2024, 2012. When was XRP created, guys? Fascinating, right? Whoa, this further proves that maybe next year could truly be it, guys. Not financial advice, right? This is obviously just speculation, because we're talking about dragons, we're talking about years, we're talking about calendars, guys. That's insane, right? So obviously don't take investment advice from this video. Definitely don't, because it's all riddles, it's all for fun, guys, right? It's for entertainment purposes only. But isn't it a little bit strange that XRP was created in the year of 2012 and next year's 2024, which they both connect with the dragon, right? The Year of the Dragon. And the dragon is like, what? A snake. And I think that's in the year 2025, right? They both flow in the same trajectory, guys. And it's the same thing as what? A lightning, right? Or fire. 2000 as well. And then these other years, guys. 2024 is the year of the wood dragon, right? Interesting. Starting from February 10th, 2024, Chinese New Year, and ending on January 28th, 2025. Wow. So they have a different calendar, as we can see right here, obviously. So it really starts on February the 10th, guys, right? And then there we go. The luckiest Chinese something. XRP founded in a dragon year 2, guys. That's just mind blowing. I'm getting super excited. I'm just getting super excited here. Now, so check this out. The 8th year equal, so 8 is money and power, right? 8th year equal money and power. 9th year is completion as well, right? So if, and that's another indicator possibly of 2024, because 8 is what? Money and power, supposedly. So 8, if it's money, you guys, right? Dragon. 8 as in what? 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8, right? As in the number 8, guys, which is money again, right? Oh, and not to mention 24 is the is which letter, guys? X as well, right? What are the chances of all that, guys? I don't know. Come on. And when we talk about dragons and the Chinese calendar, guys, right, we have to connect it to China, because Justin, major Chinese shadow bank, declares itself severely insolvent. China's major shadow bank, Zhongji, declares severe insolvency with a $36 billion shortfall, signaling liquidity problems in the $2.9 trillion Chinese shadow banking sector. What is this, guys? Right? Hold on a minute. November 25th. This came out November 25th as well. An hour after. Well, not an hour, but minutes after Big Short tweeted that out, guys. He's surely pointing to China, isn't he? Known for real estate investments, so it seems they seem to be known for real estate investments, guys. Zhangzi attributes the deficit to internal management issues facing operational risks. The crisis further highlights instability in China's real estate market, raising concerns of possible contagion effects as well, guys. Right? It's about to blow. Something's about to blow off the water. Through the water. It feels like the entire financial system is one Jenga block away from complete collapse. Wow. Right? I mean, they have to start printing. Just keep printing your way out of everything, guys, right? Is that how it goes? China's going down, right? This is insane. Something's about to, like, I don't know, guys. Something's about to collapse, right? Again, isn't it crazy how the system seems like it's going where, guys? Check this out. The system is going where? Look at my mouse cursor. It's going downhill, right? And it's like a snowball. It's like a snowball. It's like the snowball effect, guys, right? And as soon as one thing collapses, contagion issues, and it grows bigger and bigger and bigger until the Fed stops it, right? Or one day the Fed won't stop it, and it wouldn't be able to, guys. That's when the collapse happens. The system is literally going to S right now, but stocks and cryptos are going only up. There's a bearish divergence happening, guys. At one point, price will have to catch up to reality, which means a plummet in prices. But before that time, we have to cash out, guys, right? The only issue there is when the system collapses, can people even buy into cryptocurrencies? I don't know, guys. I'm trying to figure some stuff out. I'm trying to think about some stuff. When I do, I'll let you guys know. But system glitch at Fukuoka Bank affects transfers and account transfers as well, guys, right? There we go. Another system glitch occurred at a bank, guys. It's all signaling. It truly is, right? Not to mention, when we talk about dragons, right? Draco right here. Ursa Minor is right below it. Wait, what? Because if we check out, Ursa Minor connects with Latin Lesser Bear, also known as a little bear, guys, is a constellation located in the far northern sky. Wow. The bear, right? The little bear. You see how I've noticed something, guys. Is the bear or the Riddlers aren't only about XRP, obviously. They're about something more than meets the eye. Right? To the people who have been paying attention. Here are a few Mr. Pool posts. Would connect to which post from which the post we just seen from Big Short, guys, right? As we can see, and it was supposed to connect to this right here, this symbol, guys, right? Not quite sure what that symbol refers to, but I'll have it. Maybe you guys can search it up. The dragon posts connected to the day out of time mean the blackout, right? Duality, dragon and phoenix go together. 2024 year of the Chinese dragon, guys, right? Phoenix rises again. I'm really excited. Remember, this is what I know about the Riddlers, right? Because they obviously control everything. It seems as, right? How do they know certain things that people don't? So, if that's the case, then obviously they will do certain things on certain dates, years, right? Days, time frames. And it all points towards maybe 2024, perhaps, guys. Not financial advice, obviously, we don't know, but we're just speculating, right? Connecting with the Phoenix, connecting with all these other things. How? Today we have quite a delta, because from David Schwartz, that will stop all that nuisance tripping, right? Flipping that switch again when destruction 9/11 takes place, guys, right? Maybe at that point they'll flip that switch. Who knows? Check this out though. If you think that's crazy, well, we have something even crazier. Is this right here, guys? Wait. Why? From 11/27/2020, the day Mr. Poole posted to wait, David Schwartz posted this 2 years later, 11/27. Right, so what's going on here, guys? Be prepared. 11/3. So check this out. You see how it's in reverse, right? We have to make the numbers in reverse as well. So be prepared, which will be 3/11/27/11, right? Or I guess in this manner it would be 11/3 to 11/27. 11/30th, 11/03, right? I don't know. But very fascinating indeed. Wait and be prepared, huh? Oh, now activated. Both atomic numbers is 11/27, as we see right here. Sodium 11. That's 13, guys. Right? Cobalt from Mr. Poole, and cobalt's right here. 589. Right? 27. Insane. That's insane, guys. Today is Roman Moon. As today is the 331st day of the year, I think that it may be important to stop and recognize 331 as it is the mirror of 133, right? Also 11/27 and 331 are in Mr. Poole's name as well, as we see right here. So look at this, 13 and 3 connects with what though? Which letters? M and C, right? Like Master Chief or Cryptomaniac. MC, guys, 133. Just in case you were wondering, the rise and collapse of Luna, 133, the occult's favorite number, right? 133 from Ripple as well, guys. After nearly 3 years, the course July 13th decision delivered a landmark win for Ripple and the entire United States crypto industry. XRP is not a security. 313, 133, right? 133. 589 connects with 133 as well, guys. What? 133. 133. Good night, 133. Guys, this is insane, right? Look at that. 133 is 133 as well. Swift connects with 133, right? Elon Musk connects with 133. Wow. This is insane, guys, right? 133, 589. So wait, does 589 occur when 133 strikes, guys? Right? Because Howard Moon says it right here. But when is 133? It says right here, the transitional period, supposedly. If you guys would like to read this text, guys, from Mr. Poole. Wow, that's insane. I don't know, guys. The Riddlers obviously know. The fountain for Day Zero comes from Baba Cooks. If you believe XRP is the future, why are you glued to your screen hoping something happens next week or next month, right? If you intend to sell next month and you don't believe it's the future, your actions demonstrate 99% will sell at $2 to $5, guys. But it's not always a bad thing to take profits, right? Everyone has their own strategy in place. Mine is, it depends, honestly. I'm going to be in the present moment and see what happens, guys, right? Because if XRP moons, if it doesn't, then I'm going to roll into profits into my other coins into that, guys, right? So it depends on a lot of factors, to say the least. But we'll see what happens in the near future. Now, financial advice. What is that? So for you guys, amazingness. See ya.